Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and now we have two very good hiring for 2026 batch. There is an amazing hiring, and even for 2025 batch also there is an internship in TechMahindra. Both we are going to discuss in this particular video. Please don't worry about it. Okay. Now, so here friends, if you'll see Fractal, only a free mind can fly. Okay, so full time posted today, end date January 31st 2026, 1 day left to apply, that's all. Okay, and Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon. Okay, and it's fun to work in a company. People truly believe in what they are doing. So let us go down and see what is their criteria. So 2026 year of passing, 7 CGPA or equivalent and above across all academics. Candidate must have no active backlogs. Eligible branches Btech, circuital branches CS, IT, EEE, EC, AI, data science and MSc, MA, Ecostats. Okay. Evaluation process is resume screening. Okay. So first when you will apply, that time resume screening will be there. Aptitude plus coding test, then 90 minutes, 3 rounds of interview, tech, apex, managerial, HR round. Each round is an elimination round. Compensation, so communication will be sent directly to the shortlisted candidate. Joining location Mumbai, Bangalore, Gurgaon. I'm sorry. Okay, and joining month will be August, October 2026. So joining month also they have given that August and October 2026. Okay. So job description, before all those things friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it's not your mistake. Okay, but now if you are not subscribing to this channel, then it will be your mistake. So please do it so that you will be getting all the job updates, preparation videos, right? So this is a latest one. If you go to the videos, you will be able to see like lot of hiring videos, preparation videos, we are updating it. So please don't miss that. Okay, and also for resume, so ATS based resume, we have launched our website. So freshers resume company wise like Wipro. Okay, so here you can see freshers and students resume template for your first job. So freshers, experienced, cover letter, ATS check. Okay, so all these details company specific, so that you will be getting it through our channel. Okay, fine. Anyway, so let us come back and see. So this is a hiring. Oh, where the hiring went? Yes. Okay. So Mumbai, Bangalore, Gurgaon, Chennai, Pune, and data engineering, work with a team that helps deliver our data engineering offerings at a large scale to our client Fortune 500 clients worldwide. Data science, decision sciences, data visualization, perk and benefits. So top performer of the batch would be eligible for 100% sponsorship to PG programs with premium B schools in India. So a lot of insurance benefits, hybrid work environment, shuttle and cab services to office, unlimited free breakfast, lunch and snacks. Sirf snacks. Okay, so unlimited free breakfast, lunch and snacks they will give you across our offices. If you like wild growth and working with happy, enthusiastic overachievers, you will enjoy your career with us. So this is a very good company basically. So please go ahead and apply for it, right? So remember the name Fractal. Okay, you can also check the reviews. Now the second hiring which we have from TechMahindra. So Rohini Melam, okay, campus recruiter, employee branding, TechMahindra, very good. So here you see, so HR internship opportunity. So you will become HR and you will start hiring. So today somebody else is hiring you, tomorrow you will start hiring different people. Okay, so TechMahindra is offering an exciting HR internship opportunity across pan India for aspiring HR professionals looking to gain hands-on corporate experience. If you are passionate about human resource and eager to learn from a global organization, this is your chance. TechMahindra. Okay, so apply here, limited seats, apply soon. Please note that all applications related updates will be communicated exclusively through mail. Okay, and then the form is there, and now you can ask, sir, who can apply for this internship? So when I was going through the form, right, so your name, email ID, contact number, alternate contact number, Aadhaar card. Sir, I will not give my Aadhaar card. My Aadhaar card is linked to my bank account where some crores rupees are there. Okay, so that is not the case, right? So your Aadhaar number anyway, now all the details, see when you buy anything nowadays, your Aadhaar number is there, and with your Aadhaar number, I cannot do anything. With your Aadhaar number, can I link my bank account? Why should I, man? With your Aadhaar number, shall I link my PAN ID? Why should I, man? So that is nothing will happen. Don't worry about it. Okay, don't upload your Aadhaar card, but Aadhaar number, it's okay. What is there? Okay, course, work experience. If you will tell me, I will give you 5 Aadhaar card number, and any one of you, you tell me what you will do with that. Okay, I will put my Aadhaar card number. Are you comfortable with HR internship? Are you comfortable with work from office? Preferred joining month? Oh, so preferred joining month. Also, they're asking internship duration, college name, acknowledgement. Pass out year. Also, they have not said. Courses is MBA, engineering, commerce, arts, others. So, friends, here, if you are pursuing graduation, if you have already graduate, okay, if you are postgraduate pursuing post graduation, then you will be able to apply for it. Wonderful opportunity, don't miss. And friends, already we have started with this mock wise week wise plan. So if you're preparing for any companies, TCS, okay, Deloitte, any companies, you must have to join this TCS NQT crash course, where we will be preparing you for all the examination, right? So TCS NQT crash course, and you see the classes schedule, it is unbelievable, right? So all PYQ we are doing, so that you will not have any issues and you will be able to perform well in the exam. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll see you soon in the next video, but apply as soon as you watch the video. Thank you.